So this is the type 1 question. Question is, the radius of the circle is 3 centimeter. Angle XOY is 60 degree. Find the area of shaded region. So this shaded region is nothing but the segment of the circle. Okay, it is formed by the chord XY and this arc. So we have to find this area. So in the first type of questions, what is given? The radius is given and the angle which the chord subtends at the center is given. Okay. What is given? The angle which the chord subtends at the center is given. So let's start with the solution. First of all, you all must know that for finding the area of segment, I have told you that we have to calculate the area of a triangle and then subtract it from the area of this sector. So what is the formula for the area of a triangle? Okay, so if this is a triangle, I have magnified it simply. So area of a triangle is equal to half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So what is the height? Height is simply the perpendicular dropped from the vertex on the base. So if OM is the height and XY is the base, so this is the formula of the triangle. So for finding the area of the triangle, we must know its base and its height. So now let's proceed on to the solution. See, in the given figure, you have to remember this theorem and then simply apply it and calculate the base and the height. What is the theorem? The theorem is that the perpendicular from the center of the circle on the chord, when we draw perpendicular from center on the chord, this perpendicular bisects the chord. Bisects means divides it into two equal parts. So this perpendicular divides the chord as well as this angle which is at the center. So I have drawn this figure again. First of all, what we do in this kind of questions, we drop a perpendicular from the center of the circle on the chord and this perpendicular bisects the chord. XM is equal to MY here. Okay, these are the two equal parts now. And this perpendicular also bisects this angle at the vertex. So the complete angle at the center here was 60 degrees. So now this angle is 30 degrees. Now what we do? We apply trigonometry here and then we calculate the base and the height. How? Very easily. See, in this small triangle, now this is a right triangle. Now here applying sine 30 degree, sine 30 degree is opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay, that is this xm upon xo. So using this we will calculate the value of xm because in this kind of questions radius is given, so xo is already given to us and we know the value of sine 30 degree. So for this kind of questions it is very important that you must have learnt all the values of sine and cos for the different angles given in your course. Okay, that is 30 degree, 60 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree. Basically here the angle which comes is 60 degree only. Okay, so sine 30 degree we will apply and we will find out the value of xm. Now the base of this triangle is xy. We have calculated its half part, so we will just double it. Xm is 1.5, so for calculating xy we will double it, that is 2 into xm, that is 3 centimeter. So in this way we found the base of our triangle. Now for finding the height, now height is this OM. So OM is the adjacent side, isn't it? 30 degree, the adjacent side to 30 degree. So for this we will apply cos theta because in cos theta we have adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So cos 30 degree is OM upon OX, and putting the value of OX here again and cos 30 degree, we found the value of OM, that is the height of our triangle. Now area of the triangle we can calculate very easily, that is half multiplied by base multiplied by height, and this way this is the area that comes out to be. Now next, what is left behind? We simply have to calculate the value of the area of the sector by using the direct formula, that is area of the sector is equal to theta upon 360 degree multiplied by pi r square that I have just now told you. So now we will calculate the area of sector using the direct formula, putting the value of theta, that is 60 degree, and the value of radius, that is 3 centimeter. We found the value of area of sector. Now area of segment is given by area of this complete sector minus area of the triangle that we have just now calculated. So we will simply subtract them. One more very important thing, here wherever you will get root like root 3 or root 2, then you will put the value and you will find the simplified answer. Okay, so this is the area of triangle that we found by putting the value of root 3, that is equal to 1.732. So simply we found the value of area of segment by subtracting the two terms. And now let's move on to the second type of question. In the second type of question, uh, here xy is given. See there, we have to find this shaded region. In the second type of question, see very carefully. We have to find the area of the shaded region and the diameter. This is the diameter. So what we will do, we will calculate the area of the semicircle and then we will subtract the area of this triangle and we will find the area of the shaded region. Now here very important point that you will learn from this type of question is that you have to use this theorem, so learn it. What is the theorem? Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. See here, the radius is given and xy is given. How we will calculate the area of this triangle? Because we know area of the triangle can be calculated only by knowing the base and the height. The question will not tell you that this is a right angle. You have to understand it on your own. So remember this theorem that the angle in a semicircle is always 90 degree. Okay, this is the diameter and this is the semicircle. So this angle, the angle subtended by the diameter on the circle is always equal to 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. And as soon as this angle is 90 degree, this is a right triangle and this is the base and the height. Okay, so one thing is given, the other thing you have to calculate. See, the radius is given and so doubling the radius we will find the diameter, and now applying the Pythagoras theorem we will find the third side, that is the height, or you can say the base. So let's see the solution quickly. Area of the shaded region will be given by area of the semicircle minus area of this triangle, and for finding the area of triangle we must know the base and the height. So we know the height. For finding the base we will apply Pythagoras theorem, and using the Pythagoras theorem we find the value of yz equal to 4 centimeter. Now we will simply put the value. See, the area of complete circle is pi r square, so area of semicircle is pi r square by 2, because semicircle means half circle, so pi r square by 2 minus area of triangle is half into base into height. Putting the value of xy and yz that we have just now calculated, we will find the area of the shaded region. So remember the two theorems very importantly, and all the best for your exams.